Hello guys, and welcome back to Really Robin. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. And why? Why do you ask? Am I so excited? I'm excited because it's almost Mother's Day. A day for mothers. I'm a mother and I like really pretty things. And do you know why? Because really pretty things come in really pretty boxes. We're doing an unboxing today. And it's not just any unboxing. It's not just average unboxing. We are doing the limited edition Mother's Day Glossybox. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is the prettiest box. Oh, the flower on it is actually raised off the box. Like, it's got texture. It's all glossy and pretty. And look at this. Oh, it's gorgeous. I am so, like, I'm excited and I haven't even gotten into the box yet. Like, okay, so you guys know how I do. I'll get the box, and as much as I really want to open these boxes and see what's in it ahead of time, I will not do it. You know why? Because I'm here for you. It's me and you. We're straight. We're right here. All the love for me and you. So I have waited all week long just so I can open up my Mother's Day limited edition Glossybox. As of right now, I don't even know if this box is still available to you guys. I will check and I will leave a link in the description box if it is still available. If it's not still available, I'll also say in the description box, unfortunately, this box is no longer available. This box cost me, don't tell my husband, a whopping $45. But based on what I know, I believe it's totally going to be worth it. So let's open it up and see. So the first thing I see is the Glossybox usual, which is the bow and the pamphlet. And I can see that it says Melting for You Glossybox. I am not going to open it yet because it's going to tell me what the products are, and I don't want to know just yet. I want to wait and see so I can embrace this moment. So here I am, and let's get the seal open. All right, saw something white and gold. White and gold can never be wrong. All right, so for the first thing that I see is from Skin Dimitri Dreams Infusion Recover and Renew Single Use Facial Mask. This packaging is gorgeous. Like, it's so pretty. Ooh, I can't wait. And there are 1, 2, 3, ooh, 4 of these. There are 4 of the same mask in this box. I've got to see how much these are worth. I've got to. Like, there's just no way around me not seeing how much this is worth. All right. So, Skin Cosmetics Infusion Recover and Renew Single Use Facial Mask. Full size is $40 for 4 masks. Okay, I've got 4 masks, which means already I have got all but $5 of this box paid for just in these 4 masks. Okay, I'll take that. Little tidbit. It says lactic acid, which is classified as an alpha hydroxy acid, effectively aids in cell turnover thanks to its ability to dissolve the upper layer of skin cells and trigger repair. Among its many benefits are the reduction of acne and the appearance of wrinkles. I don't really suffer from acne, nor do I have wrinkles yet, but my mama said she always wonders how much more effective anti-wrinkle products and things like that would have been if she had started it when she was younger, before the wrinkles came. I do have those really nice smile lines there and a couple of little crow's feet, but you know, still pretty much wrinkle free. Oh man, that's awesome. Oh my god, I see so much good stuff. I don't even know what to pick up first. Okay, this is from Mamande. It's hydrating beauty water. flower is rose. Story. Mamande reinvents beauty from the amazing power and energy that derives from flowers. The strength of beauty can be discovered in flowers, inspired by flowers. Mamande. I'm assuming that's how you say that. The benefit is it's hydrating. Skin type, all skin types. And this is a 5.07 fluid ounce. And let's see. The full size is $23, and a full size would be 8.4 fluid ounces. So it's a little more than half of a full size. So I would give that a $10 value. So box paid. Love it. Everything else is just bonus, right? The next thing that I see is from Invisibobble. It's the Elegant Hair Ring in Slim. And I've seen Invisibobbles. They're like telephone corded type hair scrunchy things that are supposed to keep your hair from getting tangled in them. Let's see what they say. Slim, the Elegant Hair Ring in Vanity Fair. Full size is 3 hair rings, and these are 3 of the hair rings, and they're in a pretty little pink color. I kind of like that shade. Say goodbye to painful hair tie removals. The spiral shaped hair holder provides strong, traceless hold with no kinks or broken ends. The perfect tool for a stylish office hairdo, a chic evening look, or even a gym appropriate sporty bracelet. Invisibobble puts the care in hair care. So obviously I'm not going to use Invisibobbles in my hair because I don't have enough hair anymore to even stick up in a ponytail. But I will definitely be putting that in my go away pile. The next product I see is from Lauren B Beauty. It is a nail polish in shade Love. It's a very pretty pink, light pink shade. This full size would be 0.5, so this is a full size product, and they run for $18. Wow, $18 nail polish. Shut the front door. And so it says, looking perfectly polished is something every mom can get behind. This cool sheer petal pink nail lacquer will provide a universally flattering rosy tint with an extra burst of glossiness and mirror-like shine. So not bad. It will also, because I like light shades, obviously, but this might be a little too light for my personal taste, so I think I'll probably send that one off. But pristine. I'm feeling good about my box so far. This next, oh, wow. Whoa. Okay. Wow, guys. This next product is from Lancome. It is the Renergy Multi-Glow. It says, because everything is better in pink, this rosy-hued facial moisturizer. By the way, this rosy-hued facial moisturizer with a unique red berry extract, visibly plump skin, promising 24 hours worth of a glowing, radiant complexion. Even for those with sensitive skin, this melt-in moisturizer also helps improve overall texture over time. A full-size container would be 1.7 fluid ounces. And this does not tell me how many fluid ounces, but it does tell me 50 mLs. I am 100% sure this is full size. And it goes for $79. Y'all, I love Lancome products. This is okay, can we just, before I even open it, can we talk about this packaging? It's gorgeous. It is hard, it is sturdy. Look at that pretty flower. Y'all are probably seeing more of my cell phone than anything, but oh my goodness, I love. And it comes with a little cap on top, so you're not directly getting into your product as soon as you go in. Let's see what it smells. Ooh. Do y'all see that? Right to my lip, right? Wow. But it smells divine. So I'm going to take a little off the cap since it's already there. Let's just... Rub that in. Very silky feeling. And I can see how it would give you that nice glow. It's very moisturizing. It feels really good. And the scent is wonderful without being overpowering. So if you are scent sensitive, I don't think this would really bother you. It kind of has a nice floral scent like roses. I'm not scent sensitive unless it's like just completely horrific. But this is nice, and I feel very well moisturized, and I feel like my skin has like a sheen to it. And I'm just like, if my face skin could look like this all day long, yeah, that'll do. That'll definitely do. Next, I see from Lip Brûlée, or excuse me, from the Beauty Crop, this is Lip Brûlée High Shine Lip Cream in shade Creme de Rose. I have a feeling this is going to be a shade I cannot use. So, Lip Brûlée. The packaging is gorge. I love this frostedness. Like, a lot of times you want to see what your color is, but in this case, the frostedness is so gorgeous. And since sometimes I'm not keeping products, even though I'm swatching them, I have my little doe foot applicators so that I can swatch my products without actually putting germs into them. So I get a new little doe foot every time. And so I will set the one that comes in aside and use an applicator. And it is a very light, I would call it mauve shade. So yeah, not bad. It's slippery. It'll have that, you know how when you put on lipstick you get that sticky feel? I think it would have that in the beginning. But I feel like it probably would dry down. I'm going to leave it on my hand just to see how it does for a little bit as we go on to our next product, and then we'll check back in with it later to see if it's still more glossy or if it becomes a matte finished or what. This I would not, I might wear that. If I put on a brown lip liner, I feel like I could rock this one. So I might keep that. I'm not sure yet. We'll think about it. The next product is from Viktor&Rolf. You guys, I love, love, love Flower Bomb. And guess what? This is a sample size Flower Bomb perfume. Let's see what it says. I guess they just add this in because it is not listed on my package. Okay. Let's get this opened. So it is simply it is simply sample sized, which is fine with me. I toss these in my purse. Let's see, what does it say about, this is actually, Flower Bomb apparently is the first perfume by Viktor&Rolf. Didn't know that. And does it describe the scent? Nope, it does not describe the scent here. And the very last product that we have is, again, from Viktor&Rolf. And it is Flower Bomb Soap. Y'all, I'm so excitables. A full size of this product would be 4.5 fluid ounce or 4.5 ounces, and this is 4.5 ounces, and it would cost $28. A $28 soap. Okay, soap. $28. $28 soap. But I'm about to open it. This is that special date night soap. And it's got this raised seal on it, which is really, really pretty. I like that. Oh, the smell. Oh my goodness. I love this scent. It's wrapped in plastic, thank goodness. And it smells divine. I love. Okay, so it says this luxurious bath soap, which captures the cult favorite scent from the in-demand fashion house, is a veritable explosion of flowers comprised of an olfactive bouquet starring sambac, jasmine, centifolia, rose, and osmanthus. The flower bomb fragrance is warm, spicy, sultry, sweet, and everything in between. You will also enjoy a delectable pint-sized but powerful fragrant vial, perfect for those moms who haven't experienced the beautiful scent of this juice yet. And it says, as a tip, to massage onto wet skin to build a rich floral scented lather and rinse thoroughly. I'm feeling a bath in my future, y'all, because this stuff right here, the scent is so just delicious. Like, it smells so good. I cannot even wait. So that is the end of our Glossybox. I am very pleased with all of the products that I have received in it. This is the Glossybox Mother's Day limited edition box for 2018. I bought the one for 2017, and I have a video to that one, and so I knew without even checking to see what the products was that I was going to buy the 2018 one, because it's always a good deal. Even if I had only gotten this Lancome, this box is worth it. Like, I might buy a second box when I go to check to see if they're still available, just for the simple fact that this Lancome is $79. So yeah, if I got to spend $45 to get the $79 Lancome, I will do it. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative to you. Let me know if you decide to pick up the... Oh, I was supposed to come back to this lip gloss. It is a gloss. It is glossy. You can see the shimmer or the shine still to it. It's still ooey gooey. So that is just its consistency. It is what it is. So it is not like a matte, but it is a very pretty shade, and I think I'm going to actually keep it for myself. Yeah. Anyway, so if you like this, I just went all over the place and like just that quick. Like, my whole thought process just went out the door. Okay, sorry. If you like this video, please make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below if you think you want to try to get this, or if you did get it, or if you'll be looking for these next year around Mother's Day, because these limited edition boxes, this particular box type only comes out around Mother's Day. I do know throughout the year they have other limited edition boxes, and of course I'll be getting those because this is bomb. Like, I feel like I got so much product for 45 bucks. I am so excited. I'm so happy. Anyway, so subscribe, like, and share, and come back and see us the next time, okay? We'll be looking for you in our next video right here on Really Robin. Bye!